I ate dragon fruit for 7 days. The results shocked me. I didn't expect this fruit to change anything. To me, dragon fruit was just a strange pink thing from the other side of the world. Pretty, unusual, and honestly, a little overrated. But 1 week ago, I made a decision. I was going to eat dragon fruit every single day for 7 days. No skipping, no excuses, no mixing it with fancy recipes. Just the fruit, raw, bright, mysterious. I wanted to see what would happen, not what the internet claims, not what articles promise, but what my own body would say. And what happened shocked me more than any other 7-day experiment I've ever done. On the first day, I held the fruit in my hands and realized something. This fruit doesn't look real. It looks painted. Like someone designed it in a video game. The sharp pink skin, the green scales curling like flames, the inside dotted with tiny black seeds. It feels alive before you even taste it. I cut it open and took the first bite. It didn't punch me with flavor. It didn't explode with sweetness. It was gentle. Refreshing. Almost quiet. And I thought, okay, nothing special. But sometimes the quietest things do the loudest work inside your body. Day 2, something subtle happened. I didn't feel heavy after breakfast. Usually fruits that are sweet give you that sugar spike, but dragon fruit didn't do that. My stomach felt light, like I had eaten water with benefits. Around noon, I noticed something else. I was less bloated than usual. And I mean noticeably less. Not because I ate less, but because dragon fruit has a crazy amount of fiber. Not the heavy kind. The soft, soluble kind that slips into the gut and helps everything move gently without stress. I didn't expect that. Not from a fruit this quiet. On day 3, I woke up and saw something strange in the mirror. My face looked calmer. Not glowing, not transformed, instead, less puffy. The area under my eyes looked lighter, as if my body was holding less water. I ate the fruit again, the white kind this time. It tasted clean, crisp, almost like kiwi but without the sharpness. And for the first time I thought, is this fruit actually doing something? Dragon fruit is 90% water, rich in prebiotic fiber, and packed with antioxidants that slow down inflammation. But I didn't realize how much my body actually needed that combination until I felt it. By day 4, I noticed something impossible to ignore. My digestion felt smooth, like someone pressed a reset button. No heaviness, no discomfort, no tightness in the stomach. Just calm. I didn't know this before, but dragon fruit feeds good bacteria in the gut, the ones that help digestion and regulate mood. And honestly, I felt lighter, mentally and physically. I didn't expect a fruit to change the way my day feels, but this fruit did. Day 5 was the real shock. I woke up earlier than usual, without feeling tired. My energy didn't crash after breakfast. I didn't reach for sugar or coffee. I felt stable. And that stability is something I've been missing for a long time. Dragon fruit has natural compounds that help with hydration and support the gut-brain connection. When your gut is calm, your mind feels different, less fog, less chaos. And that morning, I felt it clearly. On day 6, I tried the red dragon fruit, the deep magenta version. And this was the turning point. The antioxidants are even higher, the color is stronger, the effects are deeper. Later that day, I felt something surprising. My skin looked brighter. Not perfect. Not flawless. Just fresh. Like my body was finally breathing from the inside. That's the power of beta-cyanins, the pigments that give the red dragon fruit its intense color. They fight oxidative stress quietly, without drama. And I could see the difference without needing anyone to point it out. Day 7, the final day, the day everything came together. I cut the fruit open slowly, feeling like I finally understood it. I ate it without rushing, and paid attention to how my body felt afterward. Light. Calm. Hydrated. Clean. No sugar crash. No bloating. No heaviness in my face. And this is what shocked me the most. Dragon fruit didn't give me energy, it removed what was draining it. It didn't magically change my skin, it simply reduced what was inflaming it. It didn't fix my gut, it supported what was already trying to heal. After 7 days of dragon fruit, my biggest realization is this. Some fruits don't change you by being powerful, they change you by being gentle. By giving your body space instead of stress. By offering hydration, fiber, and antioxidants in the softest, quietest way possible. Dragon fruit didn't scream for attention. But my body noticed every single day. If you made it this far, here's your invitation. Try it for yourself. Eat dragon fruit for 7 days, 1 fruit a day, any color you like. The white one is refreshing, the red one is deep and powerful. Notice your digestion. Notice your skin. Notice your morning energy. Notice the lightness in your stomach and the clarity in your mind. And when you're done, come back and tell me your Day 7 moment. Thank you for joining me in this experiment. If you love real, honest, nature-based tests like this, hit subscribe, because more 7-day challenges are coming. And trust me, some of them are even crazier than this one. Sometimes the most shocking results come from the quietest fruit. And dragon fruit is exactly that.